right off the freeway and 25 minutes away from downtown San Diego. I just arrived at Viejas Casino and Resort for a little getaway, and just in time for happy hour. Come join me. Seven bars and lounges and a cocktail service on the casino floor. Your favorite drink at Viejas is always within reach. And today I'm in for a special treat because I'm going to try the famous Viejas Margarita. And bartender Tony is gonna show us how to make it. Let's go meet him. I'm here at Viejas Casino Resort and I'm super excited to learn how to make their famous Viejas Margarita. We have bartender Tony here who's gonna break it down for us. Tony, where do we start?
Well, thank you, Amanda, for the introduction. We start with our Patron. Viejas has their own line of Patron. What makes this Patron special is that we actually make our own barrel for this Patron. So what we do is we actually hand pick all the wood and we make our own barrel, custom barrel.
So this Viejas famous margarita is not only just your typical tequila, it's Viejas specific tequila.
Yes, so you can only get it here for the Patron. If you want the flavor that we're going for, you can only get it here. The other ingredient is Cointreau. We don't really like using triple sec. We like using the best ingredients here at Viejas, so we use Cointreau. We also use agave nectar. This is kind of the thing that really makes our margarita stand out. So the reason why we use agave nectar is because we don't like using sugar in our products. We definitely don't want our guests to have that experience. We want them to have fun, drink, and win a jackpot, hopefully at Viejas with us. And we also use fresh lemon and fresh lime.
I'm excited to try this.
Yes.
So what's the first step then with making the margarita?
So what we want to do is we want to take your jigger. Okay. We're going to do 2 ounces, which is 2 shots. So what you do is you take your tequila, you want to pour it in here. 1 shot, 2 shot, 2 parts.
I don't know if I'm going to be as skilled as you, but we'll try this.
Go ahead.
Okay, so we start like this?
Yes. 1 shot. That's perfect.
How is my twist?
It's perfect. You're doing great so far. Keep it up. That's it. That's
okay.
Good. I love it. Wonderful. So that was the first part. Second part, what you want to do is you want to add half the size of that. Is fill up 3/4 if you do have your jigger for the next step.
So same thing?
Same thing. That's a 3/4, which is half the size of what we just put in our first part.
Okay.
And for the third ingredient, we're gonna use
the
agave. That's the secret. So what we do, we only do half an ounce of that. We don't wanna add too much. But you can, if you wanna make a nice and sweet one, you can always add more to it.
Yeah. So kind of customize the drinks as well.
It does. For the next ingredient, I like using fresh ingredients in all my drinks. So we're gonna do half a lime. And half a lime is actually the perfect serving size for 1 margarita.
So we're learning drink facts as well.
Yeah, drink facts, so right here.
And what bar can I get this margarita at?
You can get them at any one of our bars at Viejas. I work at Center Bar. That's the main bar at Viejas. You can't miss it. It's the biggest bar in the middle of the casino, so it's pretty hard to miss. If you're ever there, I'm there at nights from 6:30 to close. I'm always here when the party's happening, so. Lemon, lime, we're putting those in. This is the second part.
And then how many lounges do you have here?
We have 7 lounges for alcohol. We want to be fair to our customers that don't smoke, so we offer bars that are non-smoking as well.
Okay, so you can have a customized environment as well.
That's right, absolutely. So I set
we're
you
just
up on that.
Squeeze this directly in
That's
here?
right.
We made that look easier than it actually was.
Yeah, you just squeeze it out as much as you can.
Go
and
more?
then it's perfect. And now for the next one, we'll grab a lemon. Nice, wonderful. And now all we need to do is add ice to our margarita. And we want to shake it with our tin. Cool, all right. So you want to add your ice.
Okay, I'm just gonna follow your lead
Just dump it
here.
in there, yep.
All the way to the top?
Yeah, you want to fill it up to the top. It'll keep the ice from melting too fast when you're shaking it, because that takes away from the quality of your drink. So you want to close it up, and you want to give it a good shake for about 30 seconds.
Okay.
As fast as you can.
So what was this like little hand thing you did?
That's it.
I was gonna shake it?
You can shake it, that's it.
I'm gonna hand it.
I can totally help you out. You want to just
leave it to the professional.
That's right. You want to just kind of smack it and let it know who's boss.
Okay.
So rim your glass. Now you see that ice is not melted at all. And it's perfect. Now this is actually gonna have the same temperature as the ice in the glass.
Okay. Nice. Okay, so we gotta rim this glass.
That's correct. So we gotta rim, that's the first step. We've already shaken our margarita, so you wanna rim it next.
Water and then salt.
That's it. Okay. So what that is actually lemon. So,
lemon.
Yeah, this is actually lemon juice and lime juice mixed together. So we have the same ingredients in here, and it actually makes a binding agent.
Okay, let's see if I can get this as pretty as yours then.
You got it.
Is that enough?
That's perfect. It's however you like it. It's your margarita. Remember, that's how we're doing it. We're doing how you like your margarita.
Can we add some of this then?
We definitely, you can add some tajin to it, definitely.
Right, we'll
add some tajin to it. Oh yeah, I love it. So let's get some ice. That's it. Beautiful. There it is.
I would not be able to do this without your help.
That's a fresh margarita right there. Look, it's perfect, right to the top.
So what if you're in the mood for something besides a margarita? What other drinks do you offer?
So we have a little bit of everything for everybody. If you like whiskey, we offer our own brand of whiskey that we make, like we make with our Patron. We offer our Viejas makers. So we have the tequila for the margaritas. We have the Viejas makers for the bourbon. So we can do that for old fashions, is another really popular one. We have two beers that we make by Mission Brewery. We have the Viejas IPA, and we also have the Viejas Blonde, which are two of the most popular beers that we have, actually. They both are exclusive to Viejas, along with tequila and the makers.
So you're getting drinks here that you can't get anywhere else.
No, that's right. You can't get them anywhere else or any other casino. You can only get them here at Viejas.
Are we gonna try them?
We can try them, absolutely, most definitely. Let's do it. Let's get some straws. It's perfect.
All right, we gotta try mine then.
What do you think?
That's really good.
It's really good, right?
Yeah, the lime in there is super refreshing. For anybody who hasn't had this margarita here at Viejas, you have to come out here and try it. It's so good. Tony, thank you so much for showing us how to make this.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much.
Go find Tony at Center Bar and get one of these margaritas. Whether you're outside by the pool or inside at any one of the dining venues or bars, like here at the Center Bar, you'll always find the best food and beverage experiences here at Viejas Casino and Resort. Cheers.